Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You can now see the 4 car noise suppressors that give you access to the plugs. Using adjustable pliers, remove the anti-parasite by making small back and forth movements. You can now access the spark plugs. Using a socket wrench, a short extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug. Finish it off by hand.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Tip: you can use the anti-parasite to remove the spark plug. Take the new spark plug. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to bring it delicately to the screwing support. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench, finalizing the tightening with a quarter turn. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer, or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial, How to Tighten Spark Plugs, before carrying out this step. Put the anti-parasite back on, pushing it in as far as possible. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.